Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video, and please watch video on PC and laptop for clear vision. And after watching the video, if you have any query, then comment in comment box. Now go to the our today topic, and our today topic is Autodesk Certified Professional, Autodesk for the design and drafting exam preparations, all week quiz solution. And basically this is the part of mechanical engineering. Now go to the course. Basically in this certificate have 2 week 1 and week 2. Now first I will discuss week 1 quiz solution of Autodesk Certified Professional, AutoCAD for design and drafting exam preparation. And this is the quiz pre-assessment solution. Basically in this in this quiz have pre-assessment have 46 question, and the first question answer is then this is the first question answer, and the answer is radius. And the second question and the answer is the line. And the third question answer is the 2 direction. The question number fourth answer is the iso circle. And the question number fifth answer is, if you know this answer then comment in comment box, and this is also helpful for other student. And the question number sixth also is wrong, but I complete this week quiz solution pre-assessment solution. And this is the question number 7th, and the answer is C. And the question number 8th answer is bring text to font, bring dimension to font, and bring leaders to font. And this is the question number 9th answer, and the answer is press and hold the shift key and select the objects to be removed. And the question number 10th answer is layer state. And the question number 11, this is the question number 11th, and the answer is C. And the question number 12th answer is you can transfer the objects no one or more layers into the target layer. And the question number 13 answer is, this is the question number 13, and the answer is B. And the question number 14 answer is it removes the text from the selection set. And the question number 15 answer is C, press and hold shift and select the object that you want to deselect. And the question number 16th answer is wrong, don't know. And the question number 17th answer is use the mid between 2 points mid to the object snap. And the question number 18th answer is enter D settings, select the polar tracking tab, and so on. And the question number 19th answer is XY plane. And the question number 20 answer is wrong. And the question number 21, this is the question number 21, and the answer is D. And the question number 22 is wrong. And the question number 23 answer is a control the layer where the offsets object is placed. And the question number is the question number 24, and the answer is stretch fit point. And the question number 25 answer is select the polyline to be edited, select the middle grip to of the line segment, and so on. And the question number 26 answer is use the fillet command and select each parallel line. And the question number 27 answer is the layer name. And the question number 28, this is the question number 28, and the answer is type scale list edit. And the question number 29th answer is use the rotate command. And the question number 30, this is the question number 30, and the answer is B. And the question number 31, this is the question number 31, and the answer is A. And the question number 32, and the answer is R not in the current drawing. And the question number 33 answer is true. And the question number 34 answer is wrong. And the question number 35 answer is copy and paste from the character map. And the question number 36 answer is control CTRL. And the question number 37th answer is true. And if this video helped you, then please subscribe the YouTube channel and like the video. And the question number 38 answer is C. And the question number 39th answer is use the D space tool. And the 40 question answer is use the object right click and select properties. And the question number 41th answer is select the viewport right click and select properties. And the question number 42 answer is the block automatically update. And the question number 43 and the answer is the overlay external reference is not included with the low host file. And the question number 44 and the answer is view inside a drawing layout tabs in a drawing and an existing files or web page. And the second last question and the answer is modifying group, create new group and change a group name. And the question number 46 is the last of week 1 pre-assessment solution, and the answer is the selected elements are placed as an unnamed blocked. Now go to the week 2 quiz solution. Go to the week 1 quiz solution. Week 1 Auto Desk Certified Professional Certificate, and I complete the week 1 pre-assessment quiz solution. Now week 1 final quiz solution, and this is the week 1 quiz solution assessment solution. Now go to the view feedback, and this is the question number first, and the answer is the length, undo and arc. The question number 2 answer is wrong, and if you know this answer then comment in comment box. Then this also helpful for other students to complete 2 more marks for this course. And the question number 3rd answer is a false, and the question number 5th answer is a xy plane. Question number 4th answer is xy plane. The question number 5th and the answer is the stretch and the lengthen. And this is a week 1 complete quiz solution. Now go to the week 2 complete quiz solution. This is the week 2 Autodesk Certified Professional Certificate, and the week 2 first come quiz week 2 solution assessment solution. Go to view feedback, and the question number first answer is color dependent and name dependent, and the question number 2 answer is wrong, and the question number 3rd answer is the true, and the question number 4th answer is creates a new boundary around an existing hatch, and the last is question number 5 and the answer is delete a group. Now go to the week 2 pre-assessment quiz solution. Week 2, and this is the week 2 course assessment solution. In this course assessment have 46 question, and I will discuss all these 46 question answer solution. And the first question answer is the CTRL control, and the question number 2 answer is a line, and the question number 3rd answer is 2 direction, and the question number 4th answer is M line, and the question number 5 answer is wrong, and the question number 6th answer is a status bar, and the question number 7th, this is the question number 7th, and the answer is C, and the question number 8th answer is bring text to front, bring leaders to front and bring dimension to front, and the question number, this is the question number 9th, and the answer is D and C, and the question number 10th answer is wrong, question number 11th and the answer is C, and the question number 12th answer is you can transfer the objects on one or more layers into the larger target layer, and the question number 13 answer is node, and the question number 14th answer is it removes the text from the selection set, and the question number 15th answer is press the hold shift and select the object that you want to deselect, and the question number 16th answer is unnamed, and the question number 17th and the answer is use the mid between 2 points object snap. And the question number 18th, this is the question number 18th, and the answer is C. And the question number 19th answer is true. This is the question number 19th, and the question number 20th is wrong. And the question number 21, and the answer is D. And the question number 22 is wrong. And the question number 23 is control the layer where the offset object is placed. And the question number is 24, and the answer is stretch fit point. And the question number 25, and the answer is stretch and lengthen. And the question number 26, answer is use the fillet command and select each parallel line. And the question number 27, answer is select the fillet command, select one line, press and hold the shift key and select the second line. And the question number 28, this is the question number 28, and the answer is A. And the question number 29th, answer is print greater than batch plot. And the question number 30, answer is color dependent and named. And the question number 31, answer is export. And the question number 32, answer is are not in the current drawing. And the question number 33, this is the question number 33, and the answer is creates a new boundary around an existing hatch. And the question number 34, answer is you will be prompted for the text height every time you create text. And the question number 35, answer is the same text style as the text object. And the question number 36, answer is CTRL. And the question number 37th, answer is the leaders are automatically adjusted to become parallel. And this is the question number 38, and the answer is the extension line adjusts to the new location and dimension value updates. And this is the question number 39, and the question number 39 answer is wrong. And the question number 40, answer is not displayed. And the question number 41, answer is select the viewport, right click and select properties. And the question number 42, answer is the block automatically update. And the question number 43, answer is the overlay external reference is not included with the host file. And the question number 44, answer is layout tabs in drawing and view inside a drawing an existing file or web page. And please subscribe the YouTube channel if this video helped you. And the question number 45, answer is create a new group, change a group name and modify a group. And the question number 46, answer is wrong. And please subscribe the YouTube channel, and if you have any query then comment in comment box and I will help you for your query. And thanking for you my video. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.